Okay, next problem. Pipe A and B can fill the tank alone in 16 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. Both the pipes are open together, but A was closed 8 minutes before filling the tank. Find the total time taken by both of them to fill the tank. Okay, there is a pipe A and there is a pipe B. A will take 16 minutes to fill one tank and B will take 20 minutes to fill the same tank. Both pipes are open together, but A was closed 8 minutes before filling the tank. Okay, A was closed 8 minutes before filling the tank. So find the total time taken by both of them to fill the tank. So first step is take LCM of these both. This will give us total capacity. So 16 and 20 LCM is 80. So 80 units is the total capacity of the tank. Next, see the efficiency. So if A can fill 80 units in 16 minutes, so in 1 minute how much it will fill? 80 divided by 16, which is equal to 5 units per minute it will fill. Then B will fill 80 by 20, which is equal to 4 units per minute. Okay. Now we know that A was closed 8 minutes before filling the tank. Means for the last 8 minutes, okay, for the last 8 minutes only B was open. Okay, only B was open. So for last 8 minutes, how much did B fill the tank? Okay, we know that B can fill 4 units. Okay, B can fill 4 units per minute. So in 8 minutes, how much it will fill? Which is equal to 4 into 8, which is equal to 32 units. That means 32 units is filled by B in last 8 minutes. Okay, so that means the remaining is how much? We know total is 80 and 32 is filled by B in the last 8 minutes. So in the 80 minus 32, which is equal to 48 units, was filled by A and B. Okay, it was filled by A and B. Okay, so we know that A will fill 5 units in 1 minute and B will fill 4 units in 1 minute. So together how much they will fill? They will fill 5 plus 4, 9 units per minute. So both can fill 9 units per minute. So 48 units in how many minutes they will fill? Okay, so 9 units in 1 minute they will fill. So to fill 48 units, how much time they will take? So it is 48 divided by 9, which is equal to 5 1 by 3 minute hours. Okay, 5 1 by 3 hours, but we will convert in minutes. So 5 hours 1 by 3 into 60. So it is 5 hours, 3 ones are 3 20s are, which is 20 minutes. Okay, so A and B, okay, A and B will take 5 hours 20 minutes to fill 48 units of tank, and the remaining, okay, remaining 32 units who filled? B filled it, isn't it, in last 8 minutes. So the total time is how much? Total time is nothing but 5 hours plus 20 minutes. Sorry, this is 5 1 by 3 minutes it is. Okay, 5 1 by 3 minutes it is. Everything is in minute. Okay, okay. So this, it is minutes. So it is 5 minutes 20 seconds it is. So A and B will take 5 minutes 20 seconds to fill 48 units. So 32 units, remaining 32 units was filled by B in the last 8 minutes. So the total time taken to fill the whole tank, okay, total time taken by A and B to fill the whole tank is 5 minutes plus 5 minutes 20 seconds plus 8 minutes. So it is 13 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, so the total time is 13 minutes 20 seconds. So option A is the answer. Next problem. Pipe A and B can fill a tank in 18 hours and 24 hours respectively. They both were opened together and after some time pipe A was closed. As a result, it took total 16 hours to fill the tank. So after how many hours pipe A was closed? Okay. So A can fill a tank in 18 hours and B can fill it in 24 hours. So first step is take LCM, it will give us total capacity. So 18 and 24 LCM is 72. Okay, so the 72 units is the total capacity of the tank. So let's see the efficiency. So A can fill 72 units in 18 hours. So in 1 hour how much it will fill? 4 units per hour. And B can fill 72 units in 24 hours. So B will fill 3 units per hour. Okay. Now they both were opened together and after some time pipe A was closed. Okay, so after some time pipe A was closed, but we don't know after how much time. As a result, it took 16 hours to fill the tank. So this 16 hours is taken by whom? It is taken by pipe B to fill the tank. So we know that B can fill 3 units in 1 hour. So to fill, so 16 hours it took to fill the tank. So in 16 hours, how many units it filled? Okay, so this is nothing but 3 into 16, which is equal to 48 units. Okay, so B filled 48 units. So the remaining is how much? Remaining is 72 units is the total capacity. So 72 minus 48 is how much? 24 units. So 24 units, this 24 units might it is filled by A and B. Okay, so A and B together might this 24 units they filled, isn't it? So B filled 48 units in 16 hours. That is, it took 16 hours to fill the total tank. Okay, it took 16 hours to fill total tank. Means B worked for full 16 hours. Okay, so in 16 hours B filled 48 units. So the remaining 24 units was filled by A, isn't it? So we know that A will fill 4 units per hour. So to fill 24 units, how much time it will take? So 24 by 4, 4 ones are 4 6 are, that is 6 hours. That is A worked for 6 hours, that is A was opened for 6 hours and after 6 hours it was closed. Okay, so therefore A was closed after 6 hours. So after 6 hours A was closed. So this is only the question. So next problem. Now the 9th and 10th problem are based on efficiency. Okay. So pipe A is 3 times faster than pipe B and takes 32 minutes less than pipe B to fill a tank. If both the pipes operate simultaneously, in how much time the tank will be completely filled? So we know the efficiency is given here. A is 3 times faster than pipe B. Okay, so if B is 1 part, so A will be 3 parts. Okay, so this is nothing but efficiency ratio. We know that efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So if this is efficiency ratio, so time ratio will be what? Inverse of this, it is 1:3. Okay, and we know that B takes 32 minutes less than pipe B to fill a tank. So what is the difference between A and B? It is 2 parts. So this 2 parts is equal to 32 minutes because A is 2 parts less than B and it is taking 32 minutes less than B to fill a tank. So 2 parts can be equated to 32 minutes. So if 2 parts is 32 minutes, 1 part is how much? 16 minutes. Okay. Now, 1 part is 16 minutes. So if both operate simultaneously, how much time they will take, it is asked. So 1 part is 16 minutes. Okay. So we know that A is 1 part. So A will take 16 minutes to fill a tank. And B will take how much parts? It is 3 parts. So B will take how many minutes to fill a tank? 16 into 3, which is equal to 48 minutes. So A will take 16 minutes and B will take 48 minutes to fill a tank. So together how much time they will take, they are saying. So we know that A will take 16 minutes to fill a tank and B will take 48 minutes to fill a tank. So total capacity of the tank is how much? 16 and 48 LCM is 48 units. Okay, 48 units is the total capacity. So efficiency of A is 48 units, it can fill in 16 minutes. So in 1 minute it can fill 3 units per minute, and B can fill 48 units in 48 minutes. In 1 minute it can fill 1 unit. So A and B together they will 3 plus 1, that is 4 units per minute. So to fill 48 minutes, how much they will take? To fill 48 units, they will take 48 divided by 4, which is equal to 12 minutes. Okay, so A and B together they will take 12 minutes to fill the tank. Next problem. Pipe A can fill a tank in 40 hours and the ratio of the efficiency of A and B is 3:2. If pipe B and pipe C together can fill the tank in 40 hours, in how many hours pipe A and C together can fill? So A will take 40 hours to fill a tank and B we don't know. Okay, so efficiency ratio they have given how much? A is 3, B is 2. Okay, so capacity, total capacity of the tank is how much? See here, 40 hours A will take to fill the tank and its efficiency is 3. So total capacity will be how much of the tank? 40 into 3, that is 120 units. Okay, A will take 40 hours to fill this tank and its efficiency is 3 parts. Means what? 40 into 3, when we do, we will get the capacity of the tank. So it is 120 units. Now pipe B and C together can fill a tank. Okay, B and C together can fill a tank in 40 hours they are saying. That is nothing but 120 units. Okay, B and C together will take 40 hours to fill 120 units. Therefore, in 1 hour, how much they can fill? 40 hours to fill 120 units. In 1 hour, they can fill how much? 120 by 40, which is equal to 3 units per hour. Okay, B and C together can fill 3 units per hour. But we know that efficiency of B is 2 and C is 1, because B and C together it is 3. So B we already know it is 2. So the remaining one will be whose? C's, isn't it? So therefore B is 2 and C is 1, and we know that A is 3. So we got A and C's efficiency. So therefore A is 3 and C is 1. So A and C together they will fill 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 units per hour. So total is how much? 120 units. So to fill 120 units, how much time they will take? So therefore 120 divided by 4, which is equal to 30 hours. So A and C will take 30 hours to fill the tank. Next problem. A pipe can fill a tank in 45 minutes while another pipe can discharge the tank in 1 hour. In how much time the tank will be filled if both the pipes work together? So there is a pipe A which will, if both work alternate minute. So 11th and 12th problem are based on alternatively working. So they are saying A will take 45 minutes to fill one tank, and B can discharge, they are saying. Discharge means remove. Okay, so B can discharge or remove, or it can empty. Okay, empty. 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes, isn't it? So B can discharge a tank in 60 minutes. So first thing is take the LCM of these two, which will give us total capacity. So 45 and 60 LCM is 180. So 180 units is the total capacity of the tank. Now efficiency of A, 180 by 45, it is equal to 4 units per minute. So A can fill the tank in that is 4 units in 1 minute, and B can 180 by 60 is 3 units per minute, it can empty the tank. Now they are saying A and B work on alternate, means first minute A will work, second minute B will work, again third minute A will work, fourth minute B will work. Okay, so A, it is filling 4 units and B is removing 3 units. So total, when how much in 2 minutes? Okay, in 2 minutes what work they are doing? Plus 4 and minus 3 is plus 1. That is, in 2 minutes, okay, in 2 minutes 1 unit is filled. 1 unit is filled. Okay, then to fill 180 units, how much time it will take? Don't double it, because now see here, to fill 1 unit they will take 2 minutes. Okay, then we want A to work at the end. Okay, we want A to work at the end, and we know that A will fill 4 units, isn't it? For the last minute we will take A to work. So remaining is how much? 180 minus 4, which is equal to 176. So therefore 176 units A and B together will fill in 176 into 2, because in 1 unit 2 minutes. So 176 units means 176 into 2. Therefore 176 units, they both together will fill in 352 minutes. Okay, and the remaining 4 units, okay, last 4, that is 4 units, that is 180 minus 4 is 176. So remaining 4 units A will fill in 1 minute. So total it is 180 units, and total time it is how much? 352 plus 1 is 353 minutes. Okay, so total time is 353 minutes. So in 353 minutes the total tank will be filled. So why we are not multiplying 180 into 2 directly? We will get 360, no? Isn't it? Why we are not taking? Because what will happen till 360 minutes, right? So till 352, what has happened? 176 units is filled. Next, 353rd unit, A will fill 4 unit. Okay, now 353rd unit, 353 minute, A will fill after this 176 unit is last for B, isn't it? So after that A will fill 4 units, and 354th minute B will remove 3 units. Then again 56th minute A will fill. Then 57th minute B will remove. So what will happen for the last 8 minutes? Okay, 8 minutes A will fill 4 units, B will remove 3 units. So 8 minutes it will take to fill the last 4 units. Isn't it? To fill the last 4 units, it will take 8 minutes. But don't want that. Why to remove, put? Not necessary, no. So what we do, we can do after 352 minutes, okay, till 352 minutes, 176 units is filled, isn't it? So if A works for the next minute, and if it fills the remaining, and we know that in 1 minute A will fill 4 units, isn't it? So if 4 units, if it is filled, then total we got, no, 180 units. Total capacity is filled, no. Then why again B we will open? If B is open, it will remove. Then A will fill. Then B will remove. So instead of that, if last A itself work, it will fill 4 units and the total 180 units is done, isn't it? And this will happen in 353 units. When the work is happening in 353 minutes, why to again extend it? Isn't it? Why to again extend it? So the total 180 units is filled in 353 minutes. Okay. Next problem. A tank has taps A, B and C. A and B can fill the tank in 10 and 12 hours respectively, whereas C can empty it in 15 hours. Okay, A, B and C are 3 taps. A and B can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively. That is, A is 10 and B is 12 hours. Okay, they are filling. Whereas C can empty it in 15 hours. So if A, B and C are open alternatively for an hour, okay, that means for 1 hour A will work, for next hour B will work, for next hour C will work, then tank will be filled in what time? So first thing, take the LCM, 10, 12 and 15 LCM is 60 units. So 60 units is the total capacity of the tank. So let us see the efficiency. A can fill 60 units in 10 hours. So in 1 hour it will fill 6 units per hour. Then B will fill 60 units in 12 hours. So in 1 hour B will fill 5 units. Then C will empty 60 units in 15 hours. So in 1 hour it will empty 4 units. Okay. Then A, B and C are working alternately. So first hour A will work. Then they have not given that which one will work first, which one will work second, isn't it? So always when they have not mentioned which is working first, what we can do, we can take the pipe which is filling, okay, the pipe which is filling, that pipe we can consider as the first pipe which is working. Okay, so here we know that A and B both are working. Now in previous problem also it was not mentioned whether A only started to work, isn't it? But we took it as A only because there were only 2 pipes and one was filling and one was emptying. So always consider the pipe which is filling. okay, to work first, because only when it is filled the next pipe will open, will remove water, isn't it? If the tank is empty, what is the use if we take B first, isn't it? B's work is to remove water. When the tank is empty, B's work is not done only, isn't it? Only when it is filled it will remove. So always consider the pipe which is filling to work first, and then the pipe which is emptying. Okay, now in this we have A and B both are filling, isn't it? We can take either A and B. But what will happen if we consider B first? It will be B, A and C, which will not be a proper order. So as it is given in the problem, that is A, B and C, we can consider it like that only. So A is working first hour, B is working second hour, and C is working third hour. So A, in 1 hour it will fill 6 units, and B will fill 5 units, and C will empty 4 units. So in first 3 hours, okay, in first 3 hours, what is happening? 6 plus 5, 11 and minus 4. So 7, 11 minus 4 is 7. So when in first 3 hours, 7 units of water is filled. Okay, so 7 units water is filled in 3 hours. Then to fill 60 units, how much time it will take, isn't it? Now what we can do is same like previous problem. First we will take last, we will consider last working for A and B only. Okay, last we will not take C, because C is removing water. We don't want to remove water. We want how much time it will take to fill 60 units, isn't it? So why to take removing of water? No, not necessary, isn't it? So we know that A will fill 6 units and B will fill 5 units. So together they will fill 11 units. So last 11 units we will keep it for A and B. So therefore 60 minus 11 is how much? 49 units. Okay, so we'll consider 49 units. So 49 units, to fill 49 units, A, B and C together, because now we are considering C also, will take how many hours? Now 7 into 7 will give us 49. Same way into 7 if we give us, we will get time. So 3 7s are 21 hours. So A, B and C together will take 21 hours to fill 49 units, isn't it? And we know that 11 units is filled by A. So therefore A, B and C together will take 21 hours, and A and B together they will take 2 hours to fill this 49 units, to fill 11 units. So 21 plus 2 is how much? 23 hours, because alternately they are working for 1 hour. No, so A will take 1 hour, B will take 1 hour. So 1 hour, so 2 hours they will take to fill 11 units, and this 49 units A, B and C together will take 21 hours. So 21 plus 2 is 23 hours is the total time taken by A, B and C to fill the tank. So with this we come to an end of the chapter. I have covered all types of problems and the short method how to solve and approach the problems. Okay. So with this we complete pipes and cistern topic. Thank you.